Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the website development. I got the request from the number of users and my subscribers, and finally I have decided to make the video on this topic. So in this video we are going to discuss about the website development. Before starting with video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed my channel till, you can subscribe it and also press the bell icon, so whenever my new video will be uploaded you will get the notification. If you are thinking that you have to increase your business with the help of digital media and internet, then you are in the right place. So here we are discussing about all the things one by one, so keep watching video at the last. So basically we are from the digiinfosolution.com. Here you will see our profile and whatever the services we have provided. So this is basically our profile website, and you will get all the contents, and you can also contact with us in the contact section. We will provide the services like Android application, iOS application, web application, and the website. If you want to design such kind of stunning website for your business, you can contact with us. That is given in a description of this video, or you can also contact with us by visiting our website, that is digiinfosolution.com, and in the contact section you will get our contact numbers and the mail ID. We have designed a number of demo website, and all the website we are going to discuss in this video. Basically aim of our website is to improve your business with the help of or with the power of digital media and the internet. So let's start with the demo. So the first type of demo that we have with us, that is e-commerce website. So by using the e-commerce website you can sell your product online. So if you have any shop, or if you have not any shop but you have to sell a product online, that time you can take the help of such kind of website to sell your products. So we will design this website for you. Now second demo that we have with us, that is a profile website. Suppose if anyone pursuing their PG courses and will doing their research in a particular field, then they can design such kinds of website to show their profile to the peoples. So here you will see we have designed a demo website for such peoples that pursuing the PG courses and research work. Okay, here you will see we have added the feedback form also, and that is connected to the social sites like Facebook, Blogger, YouTube, Telegram. So you can also design this website to show your profile to the people and reach and increase your audience. The next demo that we have with us, that is a squaresecurity.com. You will see the website. Here you can request a security system, gardening system, housekeeping system, industrial safety system by visiting a particular website. We have integrated the Google Map API keys to show the locations of the users, offices, houses. So you can take the advantages of this website also. The next demo that we have us is a product showcase type of website. So in such a kind of website you can show your products to your peoples to increase your business. So you will see here we have created some showcase, and in that showcase we have added a different products. So if you are a retailer or distributor, then you can take the help of such kind of website to grow your business. The next demo that we have with us, that is a mountaingreen.in. So in such a type of website you can show your picnic places, that is from your region, to the number of people. So if you design such types of website, you can place the Google advertising, Facebook advertising inside it, and you can earn money from such types of website. So that is also a best solution to increase your revenue by designing such kind of website. The next demo, that is design the website for the waste management system. So here we have designed one website for one particular industry that is used for water management system for the different companies. So here you will see different kind of certificates of that website you can upload here, and the product list. The next demo that we have us, that is vcargo.in. This website is like a delivery system. So if you are a delivery partner, then you can take the advantages of this website. So these are some demo website that we have seen in this video. If you want to design any different kind of website, then also we can design it. So for that purpose you have to provide a requirement, depends on whatever the website you have to design, and we will design the website for you. So finally I request all of you that take the advantages of digital media and the internet, and you can improve your business by online way. Along with the website, if you want to design Android application, iOS application, and other work, then you can also contact with us. So contact information is also provided in the description of this video, and also provided in the contact section of our website digiinfosolution.com. So thank you very much for watching this video.